This is what we're making today. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Crafting with Delonda. It's me again, Delonda, and thank you so much for joining me today. Now, in today's tutorial, I'm kind of piggybacking off of what I did last week, where I demonstrated how to sublimate directly on top of glitter HTV without worrying about cutting around it. Well, today, I'm going to demonstrate how to sublimate directly on top of glitter HTV while making the cuts the exact same size. And I'm going to take you step by step the same way I always do. If you find this tutorial helpful, please remember to do the things. Like the video, hype the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell for notifications because I do upload new content every single week. Now, without further ado, let's go and look at the materials, and then we will dive right into Cricut Design Space so I can show you how to make an image, not how to make an image, but how to cut an image and sublimate directly on top of glitter HTV. Let's get started. Now, I'm not going to show my materials in the way that I traditionally do. However, I'm still going to show you everything I used. This is a Gildan heavy cotton shirt, so it's 100% cotton. I use a sublimation paper. I'm using the 8.5 by 14 size. And if you have a small format printer, your printer will still accept 8.5 by 14. I'm using Caesar Glitter HTV. You can use any brand of glitter HTV. I've heard that you can even sublimate on top of yellow. I have not tried that. I like to sublimate on white because I want my image to be white. I am also using a green Cricut mat. So just a regular standard green Cricut mat. I used a weeding tool. I used my Epson EcoTank 15,000 printer that has Hippo ink inside. And I used butcher paper on top of the image while I pressed it with my HTV Run Auto Heat Press 2. I use my Cricut Maker, but you could do this with any Cricut that is capable of doing print then cut. Now, without further ado, let's go into Cricut Design Space and just let me show you how to set up your file and your glitter HTV. Let's go there now. I am in Cricut Design Space, and what I'm going to do first is start with a blank canvas. I'll click Start Designing. What I'm going to do now is bring in my image that does not have a background. So if you have an image that has a background, you have an option to go to remove.bg to remove the background, or if you're a Cricut Access subscriber, you can just click on the remove background option. My image does not have a background. What I'm doing right now is resizing the image to the size that I want. Now what I'm going to do is go up to the settings under my username, and I'm going to go to load type, and I'm making sure that my print then cut page size is set to 11 by 17, even though my paper is actually 8.5 by 14. I'm doing that so I can print the image bigger than Cricut Design Space will allow. Okay, so now I have the image is set to 10.59 in width. What I'm doing now is duplicating the image, and I'm going to change my duplicate from a print then cut to a basic cut. Now I have two images that are the exact same size. One is a print then cut, one is a basic cut. Now I'm going to go up to flip, and I'm going to flip the image horizontally, and I still have the basic cut in the regular way, the regular orientation. Now I'm ready to go ahead and save this. I'm just going to save this as PVAMU, and then I will click make. All right, now we're at the make it screen, and the first thing I'm going to do is change the material size from 11 by 17 to 8.5 by 14, and I will get my image printed out. I am not going to mirror the image, not in my printer settings, not at all. Okay, so my image is already set the way that it's going to be printed, and if your printer is set to automatically mirror your images, turn the image mirroring off. I am going to mirror the glitter HTV. Everything I'll do from here will be back on the camera. Here's my box of 8.5 by 14 A-sub sublimation paper. I'm going to insert actually 2 sheets in the back tray, and then I'm going to get my image printed out. I'm printing 2 just in case I mess up one. Okay, I'm using white Caesar glitter HTV, and I'm going to place this on the mat face down. Remember, the glitter HTV is mirrored. The image is not mirrored. Okay, I have my purple shirt right here, and I already have a crease down the middle. I pre-pressed this, so let me do that again so you can see it. I'm gonna pre-press my shirt. Okay, so I have a crease down the middle. Now I am going to press the glitter HTV. I have this set for 320 degrees for 20 seconds with heavy pressure. This is the glitter HTV. I'm going to press this. Okay, so here's the shirt. This is how it looks right now. Now I'm going to take the image and tape it down. I'm going to increase the temperature to 400 degrees for 60 seconds. Now while that's increasing in temperature, I'm going to be taping this down with my heat resistant tape. So let's look at it. You can see how my shirt is taped so the image is directly on top of the glitter HTV. And I'm not going to put butcher paper inside. I feel like it's okay, but I am going to put butcher paper on top to make sure that none of the ink gets on my heat press. Okay, so I'm at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. Okay, so let's see the shirt. It's very hot. How you feeling? Hot, hot, hot. How you feeling? Ooh. That looks so good. That looks so good. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. That looks so good. Oh my gosh. So now, my advice, if you want to add text, just use regular heat transfer vinyl and don't press it until after you finish this part. Just make sure it's covered up, okay? So hopefully you did find this helpful. If you did, don't forget to do the things. Hype the video. You got to like it before you can hype it. Like the video, hype the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell so you can... You have to like it before you can hype it, so don't forget to like it, hype it, turn on the bell for notifications, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I do upload new content every single week. Thank you so much for joining me today, and thanks for watching. Bye.